In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Google Chrome to run Java safely. Now, before we dive in, just a little background. Google Chrome, by default, has some restrictions in place when it comes to running JavaScript. These restrictions help protect your browsing experience from potential security vulnerabilities. However, there are times when you might need to allow JavaScript, especially for certain websites or applications that require it. So, let's walk through this process step by step. First, we're going to navigate to the Settings menu in Google Chrome. You can find this by looking to the top right corner of your browser window. There, you'll see three little dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and click on those. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From that drop-down, the next thing you want to do is select Settings. This option will take you to a new tab where you'll be able to see all of Chrome's configurable settings. Once the Settings page is open, take a look at the left panel. Here, you'll find a list of categories that are available for you to adjust. We're interested in the Privacy and Security section, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several options pop up. What you want to do here is look for Site Settings and click on it. This will allow you to manage how Chrome handles permissions and content for the sites you visit. As you scroll through the Site Settings page, you'll come across a section labeled Content. Keep scrolling until you see the JavaScript option. This section is where you'll make changes to how Java is handled in your browser. To allow JavaScript to run, simply choose the option titled Sites Can Use JavaScript. This will enable JavaScript on all websites, which is necessary if you're looking to run applications that rely on it. Keep in mind that enabling JavaScript can make your browser more vulnerable to certain types of security risks, so always ensure that you're only visiting trusted sites. If, on the other hand, you prefer to keep JavaScript disabled or you want to turn it off for specific security reasons, you can select Don't Allow Sites to Use JavaScript. This will block all scripts by default, and you can whitelist websites as needed. And that's it. Following these steps will let you control how JavaScript is used in your Google Chrome browser, helping you maintain the balance between functionality and security. Always remember to keep your browser and its extensions updated to protect yourself from potential threats. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Chrome's settings with confidence.